home-based window furnishing manufacturing business, Northern Rivers, New South Wales. This well-established wholesale window furnishing business offers a financially secure future with genuine growth potential. The current owner works 30 to 35 hours per week for 44 weeks of the year with a simple home-based setup. The extensive client list includes retail and wholesale blind businesses across Queensland and New South Wales. The business manufactures one style of blind with a simple 3-step process and no special skills required. The business can be run remotely as the owner travels overseas extensively with zero impact on sales or delivery. This is an ideal bolt-on for an existing business or a standalone opportunity for a buyer seeking flexible hours.